I love the flavors, the texture, the colorfulness. It really entices me. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I am making keto Mexican rice. So just heat a non-stick pan, add olive oil to it, and to that I am going to add the other ingredients. So let's begin with adding of the Mexican flavors into it. How to get hold of that Mexican flavor. I am adding some chopped onions goes into it. Lots of garlic which is finely chopped. You can mince it even or grate it, whichever is convenient to you, and just saute it a bit so that your garlic gives a beautiful flavor to the oil. And now after that I am going to add the cauli rice. This is nothing, just pulsed cauliflower florets, or you can even grate it and saute it so that the flavor of the garlic and the onion gets engrossed in the rice. This is the beauty of this recipe. It's very simple and it is full of flavors. So I'm going to just saute it for a few seconds, and after that I'm going to add salt into it. And now I'm adding rosemary. These are my dried rosemary leaves. I'm just crushing between the palm so that the extra flavor comes out from the rosemary. Add some water so that my rice gets cooked up easily. It becomes tender. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, remove the cover and saute it a bit. See, my rice is properly cooked. I am adding the colorful capsicums, red, yellow, green. This will add color to the Mexican rice and also enhance the flavor and the look of it. Now I am adding tomato puree into it. Yes, Mexican recipe and tomatoes, they are an integral part of any Mexican recipe. Here goes some paprika. Add a good amount of it if you love chilies. Yes, Mexican food is a bit spicy but even sweet. Just saute it and it would be done. And finally I am going to add pickled jalapenos. Yes, that would give a beautiful tangy taste to the Mexican rice. See, the tomatoes imparted a bit of sweetness, the red paprika imparted a bit of spiciness, and the tanginess is coming from the jalapenos. So in total this dish is perfect in all palate. It is tangy, sweet and spicy. What more can one want? I've just served it and here comes the tasting time. And it's so colorful even. So let's taste it. See? It's awesome in flavor. Keto Jambalaya. Take a pan. You need a big flat pan and add butter to it. Let the butter melt and then add some garlic to it. This is your finely chopped garlic. Just saute it a bit. I don't want to brown the garlic or burn the garlic. Now I am going to add some paneer, which I have sliced it into small pieces, cubed, and I am just sauteing it a bit. Here goes the finely chopped onions. saute it a bit. I'm just going to saute it till it becomes pink in color. See, beautiful, it's become tender. Now comes tomato. Actually in jambalaya, lots of tomato goes into it. Chopped tomato, tomato paste, tomato puree. But we have to control that amount. So I'm adding tomato paste. Here goes the tomato paste, some tomato puree, and stir it. Saute it a bit so that it gets cooked up. It splutters a lot, so be careful. And here comes the cauli rice. That is your cauliflower which I have grated. Actually I have pulsed it in a food processor or chopper, you can say. And here I am adding the special ingredient, that is your cajun spice. This you add according to your taste. Green capsicum. This you can add as many vegetables you like. You can add mushroom into it. You can add zucchini into it. I've added some salt in it and I'm sauteing it a bit. I'm not adding any extra water in this. It's because we want the water will come out from the vegetables, because cauliflower rice is basically vegetable only. So now I'm covering it up and cooking it for 2 to 3 minutes and it will be done. See, this is a very quick dish. Now my keto jambalaya is prepared and I am serving it in a plate. So I'm serving it hot.